I'm going to show you this other great pattern here in Microsoft. You can see Microsoft reversed to sell here on the 30-minute time frame. My indicator 4 at 10:30. The negative MACDs. You can see the 30-minute correlating with the 15. Beautiful negative trend here, right? It's actually, the condition is based upon what I name it as a sell disconnect, which means 2 out of 3 time frames are negative. The 30s negative, the 60s negative, and the 60s positive still here, which if you take out 484.27, that's still a ways to go. Then you have you'll have a complete negative trend. But right now, Microsoft's in a sell disconnect. That means 2 out of the 3 time frames are in sell mode, the 30 and the 15. The first bounce is the 15-minute time frame right here. You short the bounce on the 15 on the first. The second bounce right here above the 488 level. You can see Microsoft not only got overbought on the 15, but overbought on the 30 into the negative MACD. Microsoft dropped from 488.11 all the way down to 486.35, about $1.65, $1.70. This is a phenomenal pattern in a sell disconnect using the 15 and the 30-minute time frames.